We have a duck and there's a goat. And the goat's right where the wood is at. Just where the other overhang is at. And the pig is normally in the background. He comes out. Now, I could get GPS on here, I believe, if I use the Mimo app today. But I gotta turn my phone things on and off and take care of things. And what if I forget? So the GoPro Hero 10 is what I like. And I think I'm gonna switch over because I got a microphone on that I could talk to you with while I ride. It won't be as noisy. At least I got some shots with a GoPro. I could hook up a mic and all that good stuff, but it makes the camera a lot heavier. And I have to put other things on like the Rode Wireless Pro or the DJI Mic 2 receiver, which I don't want to. But I'm gonna swap on over, go down to the end, and ride along and put you away. And then you decide which one you like best. Part 1, GoPro, or Part 2, DJI. Well, not up to me. I already got both cameras. I think I like both for what they do. Well, here I am. I'm getting ready to go on my ride and watching the fishing boat come in. And let's get on out of here. I'll turn you around and show you the boat. Bring up my kickstand. And then we get on going. All right, so here we go. Get on out of here. Mosey along. We'll get on to the path down the road. We're not going to go super speed, sports mode, which we're on anyway. I'm going to get up to about, hopefully, 12 miles per hour. I'm doing 8 right now, and I'm giving it gas gusto. I'm on 9. And I could give it all the gas I want. I can't because I'm stuck on cruise control. I got to get off the speed and then give it gas to break free of cruise control. So I am at 12 miles per hour. Should be able to let go now and continue. There I go. How you like that boat, man? Could ride on land. Cruising along, nice and comfortable. Hit the bell. Ah, look, here he is. There we go. Getting on along, man. It's probably the same one, just visiting the neighborhood. All right, I'm able to go. And we'll pass on by. We ding-dinged each other. If the scooter had a little electric buzzer, beep, beep, oh, that'd be sweet. You can always add them on. I am going to turn on here. I like to be on the actual path. And climb up the hill. There we go. Mosey along. I want to get a scooter ride in before, it gets real nasty later. Don't have to go fast to enjoy the ride, right? I don't know if they make an optional seat. I like to have an optional seat so this way I could relax sometimes. I'm going to pick up my speed to 12, 10, 11. If I want to go 11, then I just go and switch over to eco mode. But I want to go 12. So maybe one day we could set our own custom speeds up. Maybe that could be a firmware update. You never know. I got some bumps up ahead. Now this handles nicely. It's got a double suspension on the rear only. And of course the Action 4, it's got its own stabilization suspension. Well, I'm using the DJI Mic 2 and DJI Mic Lavalier. I just switch over to the Lavalier because I don't want to have the mic bumping on my chest today. I don't think there's any RC planes flying, but we could go by and see. Ooh, that bug hit me right in the throat. Well, let's go and see if there's any planes, which I don't see any. There is a car. Somebody tossed something out. Looks like a hitch. Nope, no flying today, so no need to come down here. I don't love making turns like this nice and tight, but I can make it. Get back onto the path. Woohoo! There's a hitch and a bike or something. I'm gonna go down to the water's end. Then I think it's equal to say I did both the Action 4 and the GoPro. I can't hook them both up together yet. Sure I can, I got a mount on my head. But then you'll be looking all over the place. So I think this is nice to have a POV front view. 13 miles per hour, cruising along. Watch the water, don't want to go through water. Check. All right, got both cameras on. Get on out of here. Have a nice ride. Thing on the helmet, I feel the weight. The helmet don't sit straight on the head perfectly, or does it? Maybe I just don't have it tight because sometimes I hit branches. And yeah, man, I knock my helmet off. I do these low branch things that Ohio Fred loves. Let's get on going. Now, I could go flying on this to see how far I can go straight. But like I said, I want to get on the other trail, which I like. I am going to go up ahead, get off this cruise control. I don't want to look down. Feel like I'm going 10 miles per hour. I get in the next one, which has the open gate. 2 more. Up, hang on, I got some bumps. Off we go. I'm cruising along, getting ready to turn. Nice comfortable turns, go along. We've got to go past the people, so we're going to either go on the grass around them nice and safely. Hang on. As we did it safely around, and off we go. We all share the sidewalk, the trail that is, and ride along nice and comfortable. All right, up ahead I see a scooter coming, or an e-bike or something. I see lights and he's flying. So check him on out. Here he comes. All right, as the rain is coming in, I feel it hitting me. Probably drop's going to hit the camera as well. And our scooters, these scooters safe to ride in the rain. As long as you don't skid around and go sliding. Always the first 15 minutes in rain, not good for anything. So be careful. So we're heading on down towards the end. We're going to have to slow down, go through the bars, and on the trail, and off we go. And we're going to end the video pretty soon anyway. So I got a lot of editing to do, a lot of split screen and more. Oh, the people are screaming, something happening, having a good time and all that good stuff, and they're blowing the horn. All right, we get to mosey on out of here. Off we go. Look at this. They're able to jump the curb and go. Woohoo, man. Let me look down for you. 14 miles per hour. And I used the bar. How many miles have I gone? Maybe 3. Well, I think I am going to slow down, stop, hop on, and walk. I didn't fall. Scooter went over. I'm walking here. I had a great ride. I really did, man. I had fun using both cameras. Didn't go far, but it went comfortable, not fast. And I used the bar. I would think I would be still on a full bar for the ride I did and the distance I went. But that's how scooters are. They will consume power. They got a very powerful battery, and yeah. So imagine when winter time comes and you want to go the distance, you're going to have a depleted battery really fast indeed. This is the Ecoroad EC8 scooter. Like I'm looking at it right now, my handlebar is curled in a little, and not a problem at all. I'll correct it, and I know the scooter would do just fine. If you're looking for a budget-friendly scooter, then look at the EC8 by Ecoroad. And come on back, maybe we'll be reviewing the EC10. It's a scooter of your choice. Enjoy your products on this channel, man. I do just about anything that you have to offer. And on that note, I am Fish, and I catch you on the next episode of The Fish. Have a great day, everybody.